Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 100, part 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. I have a great confidence in you. All watch the movie of Yin. Xiaojin, I can imagine what it'll be like after you win the Best Actors Awards. Right now, she's been excited. Now, you are quite popular on the small screen as long as you succeeded this time. It's possible to glow on global future. Such an exaggeration, Xiaojing said to her. But right now, she seems to be shy. Xiaojing, she was really blushing, although she don't want to compliment her. Of course, she was really working hard on it. Well, maybe a little compliment really boosts her ego. However, if that day really comes, as of the moment, she really changed herself. Now she's having a faint expectation. She's dreaming about it. That she already received an award. That day, was on the stage. Well, everyone was then. Only one in their eyes was Suhishi waiting for her on a seat. For it was rivalry, but now it was all pure love. Suhishi is praising her on that time. So happy and waiting for her. Well, it's all her imagination right now. Let's see then on what will happen in the future. Let's hope, of course, that she can win the Best Actress. Right now, Xiaojin was thinking about Suhishi and having to tell her the news. Although I don't know if she can accept it now. Maybe Suhishi will really surprise. Recently, Suhishi's work focus has shifted to charity, often traveling to disaster areas and impoverished mountains. Right now, the communication is really getting well off. A week finally, we have a signal here. Look at it. When Suhishi knows this, looking at her, she seems to be happy. Of course, finally, she can contact Gusishi. Right now, she opened her cell phone. And looking at her, she was looking on the text message. Well, probably, she was waiting for Xiaojing text message. But it turns out, she really missed a lot of ones. But no one is Xiaojing. Right now, her friend, dad, mom, and so on. Now Xiaojing appeared. Well, she really missed her. But timely, a new message appeared. Now she really want to open this. Xiaojing said to her, I'm nominated. Come back and join me in the film festival. Oh, looking at Suhishi. Of course, right now, he was really happy. Inyan, we will finish the matter here within half a month and then we need to go back. Since hearing this message, of course, she want to be there to support Xiaojing. Now, looking at her, she looks really tense. She drink a glass of water. Wish I could go back within a minute. Right now, Suhishi, she really can't wait to see Xiaojing. Of course, she really want her. She want to support Xiaojing so much. Me too. Just hold tight. Suhishi right now, she really can faint herself, but she seems to be happy so much. For Xiaojing, of course, I wish I could go back and see her within a minute. Well, of course, she can also wait to give her her gift, birth date. And let's see then what will happen, the reactions of Suhishi to hers when she received that portrait. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!